Welcome back to the S10 Life YouTube channel, where we're about all things S-Series. And today we're going to be going over our latest vehicle. We went and picked this thing up in the rain, so when I checked it out, I didn't get to check it out in here as good as I wanted to, because it was raining. But I checked it out good enough to where we took her home. So, today we're going to be going over everything I missed when we went to buy this vehicle. So if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and let's get started. Now I already know what you're thinking. What kind of funky blazer is that? It's a Oldsmobile Bravada, buddy. I'm really not sure if they made an uglier S-Series though. I'm gonna blame it on that grill. You know, the early second gen Bravadas actually had a pretty dope grill in them. And everybody knows the first gen Bravada had about the dopest grill in them. This thing's super nice though. I had to take it home. Get the creeper and check her out. Oh, busted ass shit. That's what we work with around here. This is what we work with. I'm not looking forward to this. Oh no. Right off the bat, she's wet as just looking for a dry spot on this engine, man. Seems pretty wet everywhere. Oh, look, there's a dry spot right behind the engine mount. Good old for nothing 4L60E. So sick and tired of these things. Honestly, I'm really happy to see this thing dry. As wet as the engine was, sheesh. Not much leakage back here, except the tail shaft. Looks like there's a little bit where the pinion comes out. Pinion seal, whatever it's called. There she goes. Shoot. Oh yeah. Looks clean. Don't smell good. I know the valve covers were leaking when I checked it, but dang. This thing is covered down here. How do we check its damn transfer case? This ain't the same one I got on the old red truck. No way, that's a fucking check plug. I bet it is. Looks browned off. Can't see it good though. Alright, let me do some investigating. Somebody screwed that thing all up. Aggravating. I don't even think I got a quarter-inch drive. What is that tiny crap? Oh, it fit. Let's hope it ain't, you know, gonna slip on me. Yeah, she stripped out. I might be able to get on it though with a pair of grips. A little bit sticking out there. Well, see if I can get anything out of the drain. Surely there's some in there. Do not use impact wrench on fill or drain plugs. Motherfucker, I am the impact wrench. What am I supposed to do, not work on it? Okay, she got some in there. She got some in there. Yeah, she is. Alright, change of plans. I'm getting a chisel. Might need to sharpen that up. We'll try it. I chewed the shit out of that thing. Hey, it's perfectly full. Maybe actually a little less than perfectly full because I'm tilted back some. But it did drip some out. Now I gotta go either do something with this plug or find another one. Probably find another one.
After they had it, and they just faded away like a red on a rose. The regrets is the light from everybody, I suppose. My rose ain't red, it won't die but ain't fading. But when I die, I'll drown myself in these lyrics I speak.
That might work.
Let the rain come down till I can't hear myself think.
That's the one. See when the threads lay together perfect? That's a telltale sign. Let's go prove it. Alright, now let me prove that to you. Yes! Little twist wire around that connector on the actuator. Not a good sign. Looks like the cat's been cut off and welded back on. Also not a good sign. It's pretty quiet and smooth though, so maybe they didn't, maybe they just replaced it. I don't know. Yeah, you're gonna need some. When she comes out of that hole. Good. Man, that was fast. A little bit of oil up there on the lines. Steering box looks dry. I just got air that time, right when I said something. Alright, go give me that other cord.
Hold on. How's that door locked?
This fuel tank's a Walbro, just like my LS fuel pump.
Yeah.
There's Walbro on the bottom of it.
Huh. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
dripping.
okay.
See it.
Go. Alright.
Help. It's full.
If I can get this plug back in there. I'm glad it's full though. And really it's over full, so that's just fine. Better to be over full than not full enough, I guess. Set her on down there, lizard. That'll do it. Stay strapped or get clapped, mother.